Now what I'm going to show you is some knee cars. Now knee cars can be quite challenging for a lot of people because they don't know how to move in the tibia. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to create rotation here. Just like with the elbow, you create rotation through here, supination, pronation. With the tibia, this bone here also rotates. If I bring my foot up, my toes up towards my shin, I can actually rotate my foot in, rotate my foot out. Okay, and if I place my hands here, I can actually feel this bone doing this, doing this. You want to feel that motion, so it can be good if you place your hands on through here and try to feel that motion to make sure you're getting some of it. Anyone with knee problems, most of the time they'll really struggle with this, so try and start with this first. As far as you can, and I can feel all these muscles through here working. Now to make this a bit more challenging, we can add flexion and extension. So this is my left leg, I'm going to take my left hand, because it's going to go underneath the outside of my leg. Again, left hand from the outside, underneath your knee. Okay, this left hand is going to go into my right bicep, and my right hand is going to go into my tibia. It looks like this. Or not bicep, maybe the forearm. Through here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate out, straighten my leg, rotate in, and bend. Rotate out, straighten, rotate in, and bend. And I can reverse this. So rotate in, straighten, rotate out, and bend. I'm trying to go as far as I can. I'm drawing an oval with this. So it looks like this. If you find that this is hard with your knee up towards your chest, then just bring your knee down a little bit more, make it a little bit easier for yourself. Maybe if you've got tight hamstrings, you can do it through there. As you get better at it, bring it closer towards your chest because it'll stop your hip from cheating. Show you from the side. So rotate out, straighten, rotate in, bend, rotate out, straighten, rotate in and bend, reverse. If you're really struggling, you can just do the cars in this position or in this position.